For our new dedicated EV, the Kia EV9, we started by challenging ourselves. We wanted to create a groundbreaking EV with an authentic and bold SUV character. We believe this typology is essential for the future of innovative EVs. Guided by this conviction and Kia's opposites united design philosophy, the EV9 identity was born. A fully dedicated EV, solid, capable, and refined. The body reflects our design philosophy with a sleek fuselage and boxy triangular shoulders. It brings together two contrasting volumes to create a strong character. Despite its unique upright profile, and with the help of our engineering colleagues who spent tireless hours in the wind tunnel, the EV9 achieves very efficient aerodynamic performance. Minimal airflow openings and vertical headlamps seamlessly mesh in with the digital tiger face. A confident and recognizable front expression is now recreated with a futuristic touch. With clean, pure surfaces and a distinctive three-branch light signature, the rear stance, reminiscent of a boat tail's cabin, is at once both strong and sophisticated.
Kia, movement that inspires.